Tasmania. So our first stop is Swansea, and we actually booked through Unique Stays this beautiful accommodation called Hamptons on the Bay. So I wanted to show you guys inside, so let's go and check it out. Oh my goodness guys, the view to the ocean is incredible. You actually have windows everywhere. So you got mountain views, ocean views, you got beautiful high ceilings. I love actually the decor that they've got in here. Now straight up there is basically the ultimate dream. I can see myself living in here. Unfortunately, I don't live here, but we're gonna be enjoying this place for 2 whole days. I mean, take a look around. Wowza. This is not bad at all. You've got a huge outdoor area actually. The outdoor area wraps around the house. And then you've got this bifold doors that completely open up. So tonight, I'm gonna have a glass of vino and I'm gonna be enjoying this view while the kids are playing. Now let's step inside so we can take a closer look. So day bed / sofa bed, so you can have family staying here as well. You've got your dining area, very large, and then you've got your little TV area here and a full-size kitchen around that corner. You've also got a very romantic fireplace just around the corner there. All right, so let's have a look at the first of the master bedrooms. And I say the first because there's another room similar size that looks like a master bedroom. So windows everywhere. This is actually the room that Antonio and I picked to stay, mainly because, I mean, of the view, but also it's close to the kids. So how huge is this space? You've got the beautiful ocean view. And then across here, you guys can take a peek. You've actually got your ensuite. It's got the most gorgeous tiles. Lovely and large. You've got a his and her sink through there. All right, now what we'll do is we'll check out the rest of the home because this is quite a large home. So if you come straight through here, so through your bedroom, you've got a sneaky door through here, so follow me. All right, so we can actually go around the corner here. That's actually the front door, but we'll go back. So straight through here, you've got the second master bedroom, which, I mean, take a look how big this is. All the bedrooms actually have ocean views because why not when you have a view like that? And then lovely and large, you've got panels on the wall, and then you've got another very large bathroom with the same beautiful tiles through there and a his and her sink as well, and a generous size shower. Now let's keep going. I'm gonna bring you back to actually the front entrance of this house. So straight through the corridor, love the floors. So officially, the front door is right here. So beautiful entry. And if you're staying here quite a few days or a whole week or a month, we're staying only 2 days, unfortunately. You do actually have a laundry room through here. So yeah, you can do your laundry while you're staying. Again, the same beautiful tiles. And then look what I noticed, but unfortunately, it's locked. So you've got lots of wine, but can't get in, guys. And then straight through here, you come back to the main living area. So what do you guys think? I mean, honestly, if you want to stay in Tasmania, or if you're gonna come here in Swansea, make sure you put this on your list of places to stay. Hamptons on the Bay.